Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you haven't watched my last video, go ahead and watch that. This is the second part of that video. So for this video, I will be doing a sinking funds update where I will be counting all the cash that's in all of my sinking funds envelopes and then updating my sinking funds tracker. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna pull out my sinking funds tracker first because I don't want my binder to get stained. So I use Sharpie for this. So we're gonna go ahead and erase this and then update it. So I will be using alcohol, rubbing alcohol, and then a Q-tip. So I'm just gonna erase the starting balance. But basically, yeah, so I'm gonna erase my starting balance and then I'm gonna transfer these numbers onto there and then update the new balance. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, maybe we should use tissue. That's gonna take too long. Hopefully I don't erase everything. Oh my gosh. Okay, now. All right, that's done. Let me grab my Sharpie. Hold on. Alrighty, let me close this. And now I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little, just a little. So we're basically just gonna write what the ending balance was for August. So this month we are in September, right? September, and we ended with kiddos 166. Whew, I'm out of breath. School was 300. For baby 85. Emergency 140. Savings 150. Gifts 280. And I need to rewrite this. This looks sloppy. Adventure 110. Autumn 20. 10K 406. Christmas 90, and then student loan 144. So now let's go ahead and erase this. But now we're gonna go ahead and count what we have here. So we're gonna start with kiddos. So kiddos, let's see. So we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 92, 94, 96, 196. Ending balance, 196. So that is what, $30 more that we added. Emergency was what we started with 140. So now we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. So that went up $80, right? No, yeah, $60. Savings, let's see, savings, we started with 150, now we're ending with 100, 50, 65, 165, and that's only because I add 5 every week. Next we have student loans, and student loan we started with 144 and we're ending with 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 198. And that is $44 more, right? 5, 6, 7, 8, $54 more. So student loan taxes, I'm not putting that, or should I? Let's go ahead and add it. Student loan tax. we started with 0, and now we have 20, 40, 60, 80. And then capital 1, I don't count that since I pay that every month. Fur baby, he just got groomed not too long ago. So I don't know if I should even count this, but let's go ahead and do it. So 45, and we started with 85. So this is negative $40. And then gifts, it was my husband's birthday as well as my niece, so I did spend what was in there, and then I started again. So gifts had 280, and now we have 20. Next we have autumn, and autumn we started with 20, and we're ending with 20, 40, 50. Christmas, we started with 90, so now we have 100, 150, 200, 220, 230. 230, and I'm not even gonna do the math. 10, 1, so plus 140. There we go. Adventure, we started with 110, and we're ending with 100, 120, 130, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 145. So that is plus $35. Miscellaneous, that doesn't count. Taxes doesn't count. And then my 10K, we started with 406. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 650, 670, 690, 710, 730, 735, 740, 745, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 751. 751. And I'm not even gonna do the math. School, we spent that, kids went back to school, so this has 0, and I stopped stuffing it. So let's go ahead and add this up. So we started with, let's see, 166, 385, 140, 150, 280, 110, 20, 406, 90, 144. Right, we started with $1,891, and now we're ending with 196 plus 45 plus 200 plus 165 plus 20 plus 145 plus 50 plus 751 plus 230 plus 198, and then plus 80. We're ending with $2,080, and that's a difference of $189. What? You know why? That's because the school it was 300, right? The school supplies 300, and I took that out. And then also I'm here trying to justify like why. The school we took out, and then for gifts we took out, and then Milo had got groomed, so that we took out too. So yeah, $189. Okay, whatever, that's what it is. Anyways, so let's go ahead and add this here. Listen, it's better than nothing. Plus, that's what the sinking funds are for. You know, you buy the stuff you need, you have the money there, you buy the stuff you need. It's not for you to just stuff it in your binder and not use it. Even though I don't want to be using my money, I want to see it, you know, pile up. But that's life. You have to buy something, then you buy with the money you have here. That's what it's for, right? But anyways, enough talking. That is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.